In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of adding doors and windows to a project on Snaptrude. You can find the doors and windows you've uploaded in your team or project libraries under the Doors and Windows tab here. Additionally, Snaptrude also provides a wide variety of default options in the libraries here. To place a door, select its respective category and choose a door from the list. Next, hover over the wall where you want to add the door. You have the option to either directly place the door or specify the distance from the nearest wall. Then, select the opening orientation by moving your mouse in the desired direction. Once you're happy with the orientation, click on it and place it. You can also add a door by simply placing it on the wall this way. Hover in the direction where you want the door's opening to be. Then, click again to place it. Doors and windows can be placed in both 3D and 2D views. To place a door in 3D view, follow the same steps as before. Select the door from the library. Either enter the distance from the nearest wall or simply click to place a door. To change the opening orientation of doors and windows placed in the 3D view, click on the door, switch to the 2D view, and use the toggle buttons provided there. Similarly, place your windows by selecting the window from the library, deciding on the opening orientation, and placing it. Doors and windows on Snaptrude are parametric, meaning you can adjust their height and width from the Object Properties tab here. For instance, if you want to edit the width of the door, enter the new width and it will be reflected in the model. You can also edit the window width and height from here. You can select multiple doors and change their dimensions together from the Object Properties tab here. Doors and windows on Snaptrude automatically create openings in the walls, which are deducted in the project's BOQ and cost calculation. To move your doors, use the Select to Move option. Select the edge or vertex of a door and move it in a particular direction. You can also enter the distance of movement if needed. This way, you can move the doors from their original position after placing them. You can do the same with the windows. You can easily duplicate your doors and windows on the same wall using the Copy Array tool. However, doors and windows can't be copied to other walls. They can only be duplicated on the same wall. All doors and windows are accounted for in the project's BOQ. If the doors and windows have been added to the central library, you can view their cost from the Costing tab as well. To delete a door or window, right-click on it and click on the Delete button, or use the keyboard shortcut Delete to remove them. This way, you can place and edit your doors and windows on your projects on Snaptrude.